Hello everyone, today I'm very proud to present dual port joystick adapter that is actually inserted under CPU. In my ZX it looks like this. I have removed CPU from its socket, inserted my adapter and placed the CPU back in the socket. Then with a small ribbon cable I have connected joystick port adapter in Amiga Atari Commodore C64 standard, and I have screwed it to the main board. This is actually all installation. It takes approximately 2 minutes, and I will show you how does it work. Okay, in the beginning, when you turn on the ZX Spectrum on, you can see the first joystick port works as a left, right, down, up, fire. Second joystick port works as a 6, right, bottom, up, fire. It looks quite similar to every ZX Spectrum 128 compatible, but now wait, we have small change in my design. When I press the computer, when I turn on the computer, holding on the fire button, okay, I have been holding fire button for 2 seconds. We will see some changes. The first port work as before, mapping the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keys, but the second port now doesn't show any movement. Why? Simple, because now it works as a capstone mode, in capstone mode. Let's load some game. Adam's Family. Let's select Capstone 4, and you can see, sorry, I'm playing with my left hand just to show you that capstone mode actually works. Okay, simple conclusion. My mode gives the ability to use every single ZX Spectrum, my dual joystick expander. It means in every situation the first port always will work as a singular port interface mapped to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keys respectively, and the second port can work in 2 modes. First mode is default mode, is a singular mode. The keys direction of the joystick are mapped to the 5, 6, 7, 8 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 keys, and when the computer is turned on with any joystick movement, it switches to the capstone mode. Installation seems to be very easy. This is my almost last prototype. This interface will be compatible with all ZX Spectrum, I presume, with the CPU in deal 40 pins case. So it means you have to have a simple installation. Just have a look if your CPU is socketed. If it's socketed, the installation will take a few minutes. Also soon in my offer there will be external adapters. So that's all. Please stay tuned.